Hey guys, it's Andrew with Transform Charleston. Today I'm going to show you how to make a no-cut kick-out step flashing. Alright, so here we have a gable end going to an end wall or side wall. Most guys are just going to run their first step flashing flush with this. The problem is all this water is going to come down here and possibly rot out if this is wooden siding. So what we're going to do is a kick-out flashing to basically cut that water and kick it back into the gutter over here. Most guys just want to cut this and then bend it. But at Transform, we're going to do a seamless no-cut kick-out flashing. We're going to take our needle nose right in here and bend it down. We want to fold it away from where the water is coming. We're going to bend that down. That's going to kick out. We're then going to take a seamers just to make this seamless and flush. And that way there's no holes or any way water can get past this kick-out flashing. It's all one piece. We're then going to drop that down, bring the edge of the tin down flush with the drip edge. We're going to secure that to the wall. And then we're going to run a full piece so we have 4 inches up the wall and 4 inches onto the deck. Install that right here. Secure that to the wall as well. And now we can go and cut a shingle and fit it here and run up the sidewall.